What's up guys, this is Freddy here and you're watching Fredtalks everything because I love talking. Today's video is about deep sea fishing, so let's go check it out. So we're going to go fishing with Mr. Shaker Zinal and he has 20 years of experience. We started early morning, 4:50.
Morning Freddy.
Morning boss.
How are you?
I'm good. So we started our journey from Port Rashid where the boat was docked. We got into the boat, did some safety checks and then we started the boat. We head straight into the sea. The ship what you see on your right hand side of the screen is Queen Elizabeth. It was docked in Port Rashid. We came out slowly, straight head to the petrol pump and we started fueling our boat.
EB4894 Mr. Zainal. We are 5+1. Yes sir.
After all was said, Mr. Shaker started increasing the speed. The boat was powered by two Swiss-Lee engines and we were traveling at 60 km/h. The ride was simply amazing. After 20 minutes of fast ride, what did I experience was this beautiful calm sea. So the team didn't want to waste any time. Once the boat came to an halt, they started throwing the hooks in and started pulling out the fish.
We're ready now. We have 6 hooks. We're ready. MashaAllah, 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 MashaAllah.
I was so amazed by their fishing skills because they were pulling out fish one after the other, even though when I tried, nothing got caught in my hook. And one of his team member was trying to do something new which I haven't seen, and this type of fishing is called jigging. It's literally pulling the fish out with the artificial bait, and to my surprise what came out was a very big fish and I was like, wow. After an hour of fishing, Mr. Shaker decided to move to a new location.
We are here, location 2. Yalla, good luck.
So guys, it's 7 o'clock in the morning and the temperature is rising slowly. It's a silent sea around, as you can see behind. It's very vast and very silent. Guys, we have got a big catch, so we're going to have a look at it.
We have a dashboard, so we have a petrol here, the engines, 2 engines. We have the DJ here if you want to play music. And this is the navigator. So we are, if you look at it, we are like 24 miles away from Port Rashid. See? This is Dubai here. You know, you can see the wall, the palm. You can notice that. And then of course we have the anchor. This is for emergency in case something happens. We press this button and the Coast Guard comes to help us. This is for the lighting. This is for the pump, water, bilge pump. Push the money out. And this is in case we have an issue. We turn this on. If we have a problem, we go Mayday, Mayday, and then we say the DP number. Like our DP number is 4892. So the nearest boat or a ship we all have a common channel, which is channel 16. Different type of fishing style. So if you go around, you will know. So this is live bait. Like so tiny fish, hook it. We have a sinker here. We have the hook. We just hook the bait, right? And then if you go further up down there, you see Faraz is having an artificial bait. It's a Japanese technology. Just here, because of the smell, and that this fish gets close to it. So we have a type of fish here. Most of the time we get shari, but the artificial, which Faraz is working on, we might get cobia. We can get kingfish. There's different types. شو جمال بشر.
After 9 a.m. the temperature became worse. The temperature was hitting almost 36 to 38 and we have to spray water or jump into the sea. As you see, Mr. Shaker is in the deep sea swimming to keep his body temperature cool. Temperature was rising high. We were not able to adapt to the situation, so we decided to leave and head back to Port Rashid. But the overall experience was fantastic. Even though it was 3 to 4 hours fishing, I learned a lot. But next time I want to go back there into the sea, but this time without camera because I want to concentrate on fishing. So I had a wonderful experience, as you saw in the video. It was amazing. I was totally lost in the sea. But yes guys, you should try fishing once in a while in your lifetime. So that's it for today guys. So hit the like button, subscribe, put the bell icon, put some comments, and for now that's it. I'll come back with another video. See you, bye bye.